yung biyahe na yan?
Hindi kasi Papa Jack eh.
Parang may cancer ka ba?
Correct. Tama.
Are you?
Tama.
Are you? May cancer ka?
Yeah. I was diagnosed of having multiple
Sometimes, you know,
myeloma.
Robert, I hate my intuition to guess things out. Ang teams mo ba yung awaiting terminal?
Hindi naman.
But anyway, may cancer ka?
Yeah, multiple myeloma.
What is that?
The cancer of bone and blood.
Bigla nagbagong ihip ng hangin dito. Kasi I want to beg him to love you instead. Alright, Robert, you have to forgive me.
Yeah, it's okay.
You have a cancer, but ayoko malungkot ngayong gabi, ha? I'm pretty sure gusto mo na wag tayo malungkot.
Ano man?
Sino ba may cancer na gustong kinalulungkotan siya? Halika, magdiwang tayo ngayong gabi. Let us celebrate your 32 years of being alive. Tama?
Tama.
Congratulations, you're alive tonight. Go ahead.
Pagkatapos ng 5 sessions ko ng chemo, it's a celebration of life kasi hindi ko alam na malalampasan ko yung stages na yun. The most difficult chapter or part of my life.
Sometimes I hate my intuition.
Ayoko talaga. Ayoko nung umiyak. Ayoko.
Huwag kang iiyak. Ay, bruha. You know, it's actually nice to be happy and gay and a gay. You are a gay and a gay. Okay, be happy and gay. Gulo na, pre. Sige, tuloy mo na.
Nga.
Sige na nga, talon ka. Dahil malungkot ka. Pwedeng sa chest lang. Alright, tuloy mo yung mensahe mo sa kanya.
Para ako duko-duko dito.
Oh, may tanong, Robert.
Yeah, Papa.
Every night if you listen to my show, kasi ako hindi ko pinapakinggan yung replay, yung recordings ng show ko. Because, you know, I hate listening to myself because as if I know. Di ba? Ganun ako, parang magpayo ko, parang alam ko lahat ng bagay. Every now and then, every so often, nararamdaman ko yung partner. Baka akala nyo, hindi mga kaibigan, ha? Pag umuwi ako ng bahay, Robert, I often ask si Mahal kung, did I do good tonight? Meron ba akong tao nilagay sa kasamaan ngayong gabi? O did I give my heart out tonight? May tanong ako sa'yo. Teka lang muna, may tanong ako sa'yo. Baka mawala sa utak ko eh. You have a cancer. Do you listen to me always?
Yeah, every night.
Do I make you a happier person?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oo. Kaya nga, nung nagkakaroon ako ng doubt o ng mga tanong with this person, gusto ko talaga makausap. Kasi I know in a way around matutulungan mo ako mag-decide.
Well, gusto kong sabihin irrelevant yung sakit mo ngayong gabi. Ayaw kong gawin big deal yan. Sakit lang yan, kapatid.
Ako rin, ayokong
gusto kong ismulin yung punyetang cancer na yan.
Yung sakit na yan.
Oo.
Alam niya yung pinagtapat ko naman lahat sa kanya eh. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, ayokong mamahalin mo ako dahil may nalaman kang ganito. Kasi gusto ko ako, yung everyday life ko normal. Wala akong iniisip na may ganun akong karamdaman or what.
Huwag ka na umiyak, ha? Are you crying?
A bit.
Huwag kang iiyak. Don't cry. Ano ba? Let's try to play a song.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA.
Sorry, Papa Chuck. Medyo...
Huwag kang iiyak! Hindi, huwag tayong umiyak. Please. At again tayo na, Robert?
Every time na alala ko yung chapter ng buhay kong yan, talagang hindi ko mapigilan umiyak.
Ganito, ano? Congratulations for one thing. maybe hindi mo na nare-realize to, but congratulations, di ba? Kasi you are able to find out who you really are. Di ba? Bago dumating yung close call mo, kung nandyan man yan o wala. Get the point?
Yeah.
Sorry this is very morbid, but at least even before death, wag naman. I'm not saying that. Di ba? Alam mong bading ka. You were able to come out in the open. Naging matapang at nanggapin yan. Robert, hindi ko babaguhin yung advice ko sa'yo. Alright? Your sickness is relevant sa usapan natin ngayon. Falling in love ay hindi nakaangkla sa karamdaman ng katawan natin. I want you to be a happier person. Alright?
Yeah.
At sana, tama yung sabi mo kanina, I second the motion. Sana mahal ka niya dahil may karamdaman ka niya. Sana love, hindi awa yan.
Yun naman sinabi ko sa kanya. And sinabi naman niya sa akin kasi nung one time na nagde-decide ako na kumawang na.
Anong kumawang?
Kawang na ako sa kanya, ayoko na.
Yung kasi, kawang? Akala ko kawang lutuan yan.
Kawa yun.
Kawa pala yun, sorry. Sorry!
Yung kakawang na nga ako sa kanya, ayaw niya pumayag.
Okay, ganda Robert, ano? Let's try to come up with a resolution ngayong gabi. Nagmensahe ka na sa kanya, alright? Not only you, ako, lahat sa mundo ito, we have a very limited time to stay. Tama, mali? Yeah. Some people would go earlier than us, some people would stay longer than us, but we will all go. Tama?
Tama.
Di ba? We will all go. When I was 18, I never thought magkaka-wrinkles ako, but I have few.
Una-unahan na lang naman yan.
Tama yan. Ano lang, pagkakaiba kung how do we spend that amount of time we have. Alright? Sabi mo kanina, dumating yung point na parang ayaw mo na sa kanya. Well, I don't know kung siya ba itong taong ito or hindi, but be with people that will make you a happier person hanggang nasa mundo pa tayo. To be happy in life is always a decision. It's a choice that we have to make every single day we wake up. Tama?
Tama.
And if he is that person, I am making an exemption for you just because you called my show. Kunyari, as if I know what's good for you, I will tell you, talk to people who will make you a better person, who will give you purpose and meaning in life. If he is that person, by all means. Diba? Makipag-usap ka sa kanya. Life is a journey. Maiksi, mahaba ang di ba? Sometimes may lubak, may house, may kanto, liliko, mga kaibigan. Sa journey ng buhay, may taong aangkas sa buhay natin. But somebody, may mga kikiback-ride sa atin. But may mga tao, di ba, at the end of this journey, they will be there hanggang sa kaduluduluhan, hanggang makarating sa terminal. Di ba?
Yeah.
I can only wish you for, what's best for you. Sana siya na yung taong yan na makakasama mo sa rest of your journey. But if not, I hope the soonest possible time you be with someone who can make you a better person and a happier one. Alright?
Thank you.
Are you crying? Bakla, wag ka umiyak! Please! Bakla. Ano, Fair?
Then, ina-absorb ko lang lahat ng sinasabi mo. I'm sorry for being speechless.
Baka ina-absorb mo sa akin, ha? Si Jason, marami pa-absorb nga, Jason! Hi, saludo ako sa iyo, kapatid. I hope I get to see you personally. When is your birthday? November. If my calendar is free, can you come by and let's have coffee on your birthday?
Sure.
I will introduce you to Mahal. The people is making... pagdating niyo dito, dalaw kayo dito, let's have coffee together.
Yes.
Libre mo ako. Ay, libre niya tayo. Ay, magagaling Dubai yun.
Kahit na ako man libre.
Hindi na siya na. Ano ka ba? Dubai! Wake up, girl!
Can I get your number para kung ano?
Oh my God, this is so indecent. I don't like this. When I'm just about to give in na. Oh. Sabi nito, Badyak, panira ka ng moment na iyak na ako. Ayoko maging malungkot, mga kaibigan. Ayoko magbaba ng phone, malungkot siya. Gusto ko tumatawa siya. May mga taong deserving paiyakin. Hindi mo maagol-gol magbaba ng telepono.
Badyak, makausap lang kita. Happy na ako.
Maybe we are meant to be with each other.
Sa 1 week na pagdadial ko.
Ganito, Robert, I will maintain my principle. I do not give my number away, but you can come by. I will give you a number that we can communicate.
Okay.
Alright? If antayin mo siya dumating and come by, alright?
Okay.
Magdala siyang pasalubong, ha?
Sige.
Si Mahal, mahilig yan sa Ferrero. Pero kung meron kang lint, yung tsokolating kinakain ng mga mayayaman, ha?
Ferrero na lang. Hindi lang yata available sa duty free.
Baka 7-Eleven meron yan, eh. Sa Petron nga meron yan, eh.
Hindi kasi ako nakapunta sa mga convenience store.
You don't have to bring me anything. Just come by if you have time. And it's a booth or kwentuhan.
Sige.
If my calendar is free, I don't have anything to do,
Okay.
let's have coffee together or
Thank you very
kwentuhan.
much for the invitation, Papa John.
Yes.
It's a privilege.
Alright. Maraming salamat. It's my pleasure to talk to you. I am pleasured.
Thank
Ikaw bakla ka. Ang dami nyo, ha? 3 kayo dito sa booth ngayon. Maraming salamat.
Nakakahiya na, ang dami ng ano.
Oo nga, di ba? Hindi ko alam. Alam mo,
Ang dami
buti na lang siguro mga 30% of the men on earth are gays. Kasi, di ba, kung lahat ng 30% na yan, ay talagang lalaki pa din. Ang laki ng populasyon natin.
Naman.
Di ba? May tulong, di ba? There's merong advantage yan. Salamat.
Salamat.
Goodbye, kapatid.
Okay, thank you very much, Papa John.
Di
Good
ba?
night.
I wish you a happy life.
Yeah.
However you want to spend that. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Mga kaibigan, should be a wake-up call sa ating lahat. May isang tao, mga kaibigan, may cancer. Alam niyo naman, di ba, ang mga consequences pag may cancer ka, tataningan ka nila. But he is positive sa buhay. Yung mga tao, mga kaibigan, na nais tapusin yung kanilang buhay, mag-isip-isip kayo. Life is wonderful. It's short. Do not waste it. Di ba? And more so, do not end your life. Wag tanga. Mga kaibigan, si Robert yan ng Cavite. I love his story, di ba? Talagang lumandi kaming dalawa ngayon. Jason, ain't you inspired? Ayan na, parang ang chismis, balik na naman, di ba? Diyan